In this video, you are going to be seeing behind the scenes of our shoots, every other thing. Like, just enjoy yourself, bring your popcorn and your drink, take a seat, and enjoy this vlog. It's going to be massive. Let's get started. So this is available on the website. Make sure you get yours before they are gone. Available in size 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So see you guys by 6 on the website. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back once again. Based on my last vlog or my last video, I was not able to do anything at the store or at the shop. I don't know why. I just don't feel like doing anything. And as you can see, I'm staying home today. And my plan was one, to put my home in order. The second one is to do like home shoots. Home shoots. That's the plan. But because of I don't even know what happened. I didn't even do anything. I was busy posting on social media, checking if I can find one or two, and also, keep myself happy and also busy. I have a lot of work in my head, and I am planning to buy industrial weaving machine for trader. The reason why, because the one that I have is giving me tough time, and the table machine that I give to repairer since last year, the guy has not been able to bring it back. See my life. I don't know why he's holding the machine. The last time I called him, he said, "Oh, I'm bringing it. I'm going to be." I said, "Okay, if you're not done making it, just hold it a little. Last 2 weeks, hold it a little bit longer. Then whenever you fix it, you call me." Up till today, he has not called me. Like he likes someone that disturbs him and keep him to his feet to make the work done. I don't know if I made any sense or if I made I don't know if I made any sense. So my focus is to get depending is to get weaving industrial for trader machine or even true trader, anyone that I can get. So far it does. I'm ready to wear work, then I'm good with it, right? Because I already have enough materials to work with. And this time around, I have beautiful fabrics that you can't get anywhere. Imagine this fabric, I have not seen it on anybody. Like I have not seen one thing I love about my brand is that most fabrics that I use, you can't find it anywhere else. Yeah, most fabrics that I use, you can't find it anywhere else. And there are some restockings that I'm going to be doing in this collection as well. No, maybe not in this collection, but I'll be doing some restockings like our hip jumpsuits. I'm going to do some restockings on it in different color. Then there are so many restockings. Like there is this dress that I made. I can't even recall the name. That's why I have to keep a very nice portfolio. I can't recall the name, but this two-piece set, is banging. Like it's a long sleeve top, not too open top, not a turtleneck. Then it have this like folding here. Then the pants. Ah, if you wear it with a very nice heel, the right makeup, the right accessory with your heel. Oh my gosh. My issue is I don't even owe any piece on that. And this collection, this rebate collection, I have every single piece of it. So this one is not, oh, I don't have nothing to wear. No, I'm not rocking my piece whether you like it or not. Go and hit the wall. I don't care any longer. So I'm going to be rocking it to be going to work and also be advertising my work as well. There is the kind of feeling that I had when I wore one of my collections to a place like people were looking at me, the type of attention like I was feeling myself, and someone that I didn't even know called, "Oh, DVC, DVC." It was a kind of a nice feeling, like the way the person shouted DVC, DVC. I said, "Oh my gosh," so that people are actually seeing my work. So tomorrow being Friday, so I plan to do to I plan to make an order of someone that requested for it. We are done choosing colors because I will give you options if I see that you want to, I will give you options to choose of another color. Even if I don't have the color, I will make sure that I get the color for you so that you will have different options. Do you get? So tomorrow I'm going to start her I'm going to start her work, then start it, send it out on Sunday or Monday. I don't know when, but I'm going to be sending it out. When I confirm, okay, I'm going to be sending it out so on Sunday or on Monday. So I don't know yet, but what I know is that I'm going to be sending her order out. I'm going to start working on it on Friday, maybe finish on Sunday because it's kind of for orders. Yeah. So So I don't know if I told you guys, but I was not able to finish my shoot. That's this rebate collection because there are so many combos that I wanted to do, and there was no time. I think I mentioned something that we started by 12 and we ended by 5. For that period of time, we are not able to finish on time and also to get things done. So I don't know what's the time. Right now the time is 6:46. I'll try as much as possible to create content this night for Instagram, for TikTok as well, because I want to keep posting, and keep posting this rebate collection till a week or 2 weeks before I will launch our new collection, which is Soft Girl. So that's it. In case if you want our rebate collection, make sure that you're on our website to get yours before they are completely gone. So let me quickly do my makeup and then set what I wanted. I wanted to do this photo shoot in the morning, but due to time and where I'm supposed to be by 1, I was not able to do it. And I was wearing our I don't even know the name of this piece, the red pants with a black lace top, and it was giving. Seriously, it was giving. I love it. We love the combo. I'm all glammed up, ready to reshoot our, not really reshoot, but just to create some content on our rebate collection that we just launched. This collection, you have so many options to do combo with, like, and there are some parts that I will be introducing a new wear, such as a lace top, then a pencil sketch as well. Like, let's just get into it. You're going to love it. Behind me are all our rebate collections that we launched, and we are going to be part. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style some of them. Right now, I'm wearing all my bangles, my accessories, my necklace. I have my 2 panel lights, 1 and 2. Let me just see how this content will go. Some creators do their content at night, so let's run this up.
So pick me, choose me, love me.
The time is 1:02, 1:02 a.m. in the morning, and I'm not even done with half of. In fact, it's only one outfit that I did. Throughout this week, I'll know that I have something to post. Though I still have content to post on our previous campaign, but I just wanted to create this one in case, because I want this collection to go on and on, show people different ways to wear this rebate collection, how you can, do your stuff and be you. So I have not, my main purpose of this content creation is this this two-piece. So I wanted to pair it with white shirt, the top with white shirt, and then wear the set with a white shirt, and then see how everything goes, and also wear it with a lace top. Oh my gosh, if you see this lace is to die for. I wore this lace with our grace pants, and all eyes were on me, like literally. I don't know if I told you guys that now I wanted to be wearing my brand. Like, I want people to see me for who I am. I want people to see my brand through me. I don't know if I make any sense or if I made any sense, but this time around, I'm unapologetic for wearing my brand, because my brand is me and me is my brand. If you don't see my brand, If you don't see me wearing my brand, how will you know? So that's my main purpose of this whole New Year resolution. I mean this brand resolution that I will be wearing my brand this time around. Let me just clean up my face. The eyelash as well. So nothing serious. Let me just go and wash it up. I'm coming. So now I have my clean face and everything is good. I'm ready to go to bed. What I have to do is just to remove these jewelries and then put them where I can easily fetch them. So see you guys.